It's Mani and Me Day. It's Mani and Me Day. Put your life on hold with Guyleen for Mani and Me Day. So that little extra was from Jenny. Thanks, Jenny. My Maniology box came. I just got home from watching the little turd that was so grumpy today. Oh my gosh, that kid was grumpy today. So, haven't looked at it. I have avoided all spoilers for this because I just don't want to know what it is, even a little bit. Because I just want to be surprised and get to open it with you guys. And I did find out, I did see one, I mean, you can't scroll or look at anything. Can't get on Facebook, cannot get on Instagram, nothing. I can't even, if I see the email telling me that it's what the box is, so it gives you time to cancel if you want to, I just delete it. I don't even open it now because it's got spoilers. But I do know that it is mermaid. So here's the spoiler about it, so I'm not gonna look at that either. And all right, this is like the third box in a row of stuff I've got from Maniology that there's no candy. What's up with that? At least put a pineapple in the Mani and Me box. All right, let's tear this open. We'll look at it and then I'll think on it and come back and do a Mani. My son graduates Friday. This is Wednesday. I don't know when this video will post. But he is valedictorian. We've got tons of crap going on before then. And so, oh, there is candy. Ah, oh, Guyleen, you should have shut. Now, see, now I look like an idiot. Candy. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, we got a brush. That's exciting. Stamping guide. Trash. Alright, let's just check out the plates real quick. Alright, so bubbles and little seahorses. Beach please. Beach please. Beach babe. A couple of little whales. These are cute. Some different size shells. Whale. Make some waves. Oh, that's cool too. So you can layer that and some waves. That's cool. I like it. I like it. MXM, which means Mani and Me 008. They definitely are not in sync here. And there's 007. Did I even say this is April's? May's. No, this is May's box. Oh, isn't she pretty? Let's zoom in a little. See if I can get an angle here where you can see her good without glare. Oh, she's really pretty. Little mermaid. Didn't really see any. Oh yeah. Well, okay, that's not really mermaid scale on here. That is like shells. So that's kind of different. Okay. A lot of seaweed, starfish. Oh, he's cute. I wonder if he matches up to do a layer with, no, they've got him turned the opposite way. That's not cool. But I can reverse him. He is so cute. Some jellyfish, little fish. Alright, that is cute. Alright, let's see what colors we have. Ooh, that's some purple hollow. Look at this. So what I have on here is Brave Diva nail polish, and it is chipped and dinged, and I've had it on for a few days. This is just with no base coat, and this one is with Crime Dog's Press Box Fire, her purple underneath it. and I did get 3 hollows from her, and I actually am doing a video of that too. All right, so here's what we have. This like bubblegum pink seashell. Guyleen sells seashells by the seashore. And starfish. Pretty purple hollow. And then a nail brush for applying loose powders and flakies, or as a cleanup brush to move excess polish from around the cuticles. I love this. Bravo, Maniology. See, and I was gonna say I'm done with Maniology. There was no candy in my box for the 3rd time. Now they send me a brush. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Cool. It's got floating stars and glitter. Impressive. And it's got a nice cover. Never seen that before. A little too wide, I think, for a cleanup brush for my tastes, but I will use it, try it, and yeah, loose glitters and stuff. Okay, I like it. It's cool. It's nice. It's really nice. All right, I'm gonna have to put some gel over that to keep that from rubbing off. Here. All right, kudos, Maniology. I like this box. All right, so I wasn't really happy with the pink. I thought it looked, I don't know, too bubblegum pink. It just didn't look like a shade I was going to like. But now that I have it on, I don't know how it looks on camera, and I didn't really like it when I painted it. But then I had to do some errands and I ran outside, and it really looks pretty outside, and it just really looks nice with this purple blue. I don't know what to say it is. It's super pretty, the hollow is. It's not purple, it's not blue. I don't know. It's really pretty. All right, I'm gonna swatch these real quick. All right, we're gonna speed this up a little and swatch these plates. The stamper, again, is from GP Stamping on Facebook, and you just have to private message him. I will put his link below. Look how cute that beta is. And how beautiful she is. And they've just mixed kind of like the ocean and the sky, galaxy and stars. Just so pretty. You really never have to worry about Maniology plates picking up. Occasionally, like with any plate that has like a rounded edge, sometimes on the very edge, if they've got it too close, you have issues with. This was my fault. I didn't use a stiff enough scraper, and when I scraped that negative space, it pulled off. And that's why you use a really stiff scraper, and you scrape it as flat as you can. Aren't they cute? There's so many cute images on these plates. I love the little heart wave. Oh my gosh, the dogs next door won't shut up. And there's a bunch of stars and the mermaid scales that look like shells. I really thought that was a cute idea. And here are all the images stamped on my Mani Station stamping pad thing. Here's my link. If you are interested in buying anything, please either just use the link below or put Guyleen325 in the discount code to get 10% off. Here's, I'm going to be using the last 2 plates I bought here, the with all the negative spaces. This one is, pardon my French. And I don't know, this looks a little weird right now, but just hold on. I did have to do 2 layers of that pink over that purple, so not real opaque on that polish. And then I'm going to use this with some silver to make a little outline and kind of separate and sharpen that line up. Put a few images in there. And this turned out to be a really cute mani. Put some gems on there. All right, let's do a little cleanup. And this brush I thought was going to be really soft. It's kind of wide, but it's super stiff, which is perfect for cleanup. So it didn't matter that it was a little wider than I like. It was stiff, and that's all that matters. You girls know that. Shame on me. So, yeah, a really nice cleanup brush. All right, you guys, thanks for watching and subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and talking to me down below. All right, that's it. Bye. And I'm completely obsessed with just watching all the little stars fall up and down. What do you think? Look, Lucas. Get the chickens up here. Lucas, Lucas, away with the chickens. Shall we release the hound? He's feeding the chickens his cookies. So put your hand down there. You feeding those chickens you bunny cookies?
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.